Okay guys, so I have these Maxell earbuds, which I think are really, really good actually, and I don't think they were that much. They were like $5 or $10, so they're a really good price, and they're the earbuds, so they just go straight into your ear, and what I love about these is that they kind of encompass you in the music. It's kind of like when you're like blaring the music really loud in your car, and it's like the entire world is filled with the song you're listening to. That's kind of what these earbuds do, and I really like it because I feel like if you're gonna listen to music, you have to listen to it, you know, and this really allows you to get sucked in, and it's really cool that way. The only downside, I guess, is like because they're the earbuds, if you have like some massive earwax, then it's probably gonna get on them, but other than that, like, the pros to it are just so awesome that you can really get into the music in a much better way than normal headphones. So these are the Maxell earbuds. See, it says Maxell. Actually, it's probably out of focus, but anyway, definitely worth checking out if you guys haven't, because I really like them.